Good afternoon, children. Welcome to our online class. This is 12th Standard Business Maths, 6th chapter Random Variable and Mathematical Expectation, exercise 6.1. Already we are learned in previous video up to 7 sums. This is the 8th sum, the continuous random variable. You know what is the meaning of continuous random variable? We can take any value of the probability, any chances, any value of that random variable. Okay, this is called a continuous random variable. X means random variable. X as following distribution function. They are given the f of x. They are given the three function and limits also they are given. They wanted find k. K is equal to constant value and the probability density function. You know what is the satisfied condition of the probability density function? Yes. Limit f of x equal to 1. This is the condition of the probability density functions. First, before we will go to find the probability density function, we must find the k value. So how did you find that? First given, I'll write the f of x. You see that f of x they are given, but we want the f of x. So you know that f dash x equal to f of x. So that means you taking the differential of the f of x, it gives small f of x. So I am going to differential of this each equation. You know how did you find the differential? F of x, function of x equal to set of, first I am going to taking differential of 0. 0 differential means 0 only. So I cannot change anything as it is. I am write 0 if x less than or equal to 1. Then taking the differential of k x minus 4. I left it one thing, sorry, this is the questions I made one mistake. X minus 1 power 4. This is also we have the power 4. Okay. Then x minus 1 power 4. How did you take the differential of this one? At side I will do that in rough column. X minus 1 whole power 4 dx. How did you differential? Taking the differential, you know x power n differential is equal to n into x power n minus 1. N is equal to 4. So 4k is equal to 4k because n into n minus 1 I am telling no. So x power n differential equal to dx equal to n into x power n minus 1. So in this place n is equal to 4. So 4k x minus 1 power 3. Is it clear, children? Now I am going to write here. So 4k x minus 1 whole cube. If what is the limit? Same thing. I am not changing its limit also. If 1 less than x or less than or equal to 3. Then next one final 1. Taking the differential of 1 is equal to 0. The differential of 1 is equal to 0. So I'll write here 1, 0. Then if limits equal to x less than 3. Okay. I got the answer of f of x. Then I'm going to find the k value. But what is the condition? How did you find the k value? You know that probability density function conditions. Yes, I use these conditions. I'm going to find the k value. How? What is the limit value? How did you take the limit? Lower limit is what is that? 1. and upper limit is equal to 3. So 1 and 3 f of x dx equal to 1 because the probability density function condition is f of dx equal to 1. Limits of x of dx equal to 1. Using this condition, I am going to find the k value. What is the k? Which equation we can take? We cannot take the 0, 0. So, we can take only this equation 4k x minus 1 whole power 3. What is the limit value? 1 to 3. So, that's only I am taking 1 to 3. So, instead of f of x, 1, 3 they given. Instead of f of x, I will substitute the equation 4k into x minus 1 whole cube dx equal to 1. You know how to find the integral. Don't take confused in the differential and integral. Integral is different from differential. This is the integral form. You know what is the integral of the x power n? X power n integral is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is the integral value. N is equal to 3. So first I am taking the constant value outside. I am taking outside the constant value 4k. I will do the integral only x minus 1 power 3. It gives x minus 1 whole power 4 because 3 plus 1 is equal to, I am using that n is equal to 3. The 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, then divided by n plus 1, so 4. I am taking the limit value. What is the limit value? 3 and 1 equal to 1. Don't forget that, put the 1. Okay, 4 4s are cancelled. Okay, is it clear? Then k. X value, what is that? First using the upper limit. Instead of x, I'll sub the 3 minus 1 whole power 4. Before you taking the 1 lower limit, put the minus and then x instead of x, I'll sub the 1 minus 1 whole power 4 equal to 1. Okay. Then next step is x into 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 power 4 and then minus, listen here, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 power anything, 0 power 4 means 0 only. So don't need to write here equal to 1. What is the 2 power 4 value? What is the 2 power 4 value? Yes, 16. So 16 then equal to 1. Then k value is equal to 1 by 16. K value is equal to 1 by 16. Almost I finished at the k value. I found the k value. What is the k value? K value is equal to 1 by 16. Then I am going to find the PDF. PDF is what is the probability density function. Is it correct or not? It gives 1 and probability density function limits what is that? Sorry, condition what is this equal to 1. So how I'm going to find here? Therefore, probability PDF. Probability density function. They're asking second one, probability density function PDF. What are they? F of x equal to 4k only they are given. No, f of x equal to 4k x minus 1 power 3 for limits 1 less than or equal to x or less than or equal to 3. Okay, is it correct? Then I instead of k place already we have found the what is the k value? Yes, I'll substitute here 4 into what is the k value? 1 by 16. Then I'll write the x minus 1 as it is, x minus 1 whole cube for 1 limits 1 greater than or equal to x for x greater than or equal to x for x and less than or equal to 3. Okay, then what is the step here? 1 ones are 1, 4 fours are 16. Then final I got the answer 1 by 4 x power x minus 1 power 3 for 1 less than or equal to x greater than 1 greater than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 3. Is it clear, children? This is the probability density function. Okay, thank you very much.